With inverter technology, it produces 4,400 peak watts and 3,600 running watts of clean power, less than 3% THD. Can power RVs and refrigerators, home air conditioners, and high-amp power tools. Feature with low oil shutdown, overload protection, and eco mode for energy-conscious users. A digital hour meter monitors voltage, frequency, and operating hours. Parallel ready panel allows you to increase output by connecting two 4,400 watt open frame inverters. Parallel kit is sold separately. Includes 1. 120V RV Ready 30AL5-30R outlet. 2. 120V 20A NEMA 5-20R household outlets. And 1. 12V DC outlet for charging batteries. Features an EPA-compliant 223 cubic centimeters 4-stroke gas engine, and a 2-year warranty with free lifetime technical support from experts. Customer ratings by feature: portability, 4.9 star, maneuverability, 4.8 star, value for money,